Hey friends, this is Atif for Pure Well and welcome to the new update on LTC coin. In my previous video, we have seen that the price action was moving in this symmetrical triangle when I told you that the price action can break out this time, this triangle, and it can spike up to $100. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action spiked up to $94, and after that, it is retraced back. So far, it did not reach up to $100. And in my previous video, I shared with you that the price action is moving on the daily chart. It's moving on in this uptrend line, and we can have a pullback up to this trend line again. And in the meanwhile, the price action also was forming this bad pattern on the small time period 4-hour chart. And this was also one of my suggested trade for my Patreons as well. By the way, if you didn't join me there, then you can also join me on Patreon. I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And after that, you will have a better trading experience. Now, if I play this chart, first I want to show you this chart. If I play this one, I shared this chart on the 7th of December. The price action pulled back at this support. And after moving at this support, it is bounced. You can see that moved up to this support and took a very good bounce from here. And now if I play this bad pattern that I shared on 9th of December, at that time the price action was completing this final leg of this bad pattern. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action, as predicted, moved into this potential reversal zone, completed this final leg, and bounced from here and moved in this Fibonacci projection area or sell zone. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, this is the daily chart, then the price action also has bounced from this 50 simple moving average. At this time, it is trying to break out the 25 simple moving average. Now, on the same daily chart, I want to show you some important points here. For example, if we try to find some fractals here, I'm just turning it to the simple candlestick patterns. Then here we have a perfect bearish fractal. That is, you can see that 1, 2, and this is third bullish candlestick, and 4 and 5. 2 candlestick bearish. This is a perfect bearish reversal fractal here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. This is not as that much perfect, but you can say it as a fractal as well. And here, while moving down here, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. This is also another perfect bullish reversal fractal. And now at this time, we are having 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we can expect another bearish candlestick for the completion of this bearish reversal fractal. And if I place the Williams fractals here, then it will show the fractal points exactly where I'm showing you. Like, for example, here, and here, and here, and next fractal will be appeared here where I'm saying. At this time, it is not showing the fractal here, but once we will have next candlestick appeared, or maybe after that, the next fractal will be appeared at this level. Now, if we connect all these fractals, this is a very good way to find the patterns if you connect the fractals rather to only connect the candlesticks. If I connect all these fractals, for example, from here up to this expected fractal, that is the new one, and I also connect these fractals as well, and we can see that now we have found a perfect symmetrical triangle, a new triangle. Now, after finding this triangle, I'm just changing this to the Fibonacci candlestick setup because it shows the pattern in the perfect way. Now, we can expect that after the next candlestick, that will be appeared bearish in the simple candlestick pattern, and maybe that will be reflected on the Fibonacci candlestick pattern as well. Then we can expect another pullback up to this support of this symmetrical triangle, and from there we can expect another bullish reversal for the breakout. If I copy this 50 simple moving average from here and paste it here, then we can see that we have a very good support of the 50 simple moving average just below the support of this triangle. So therefore, I'm expecting a breakout again. And if this time I take the targets, I take the measurement of this tail of the triangle up to this support and place it here, then we can expect another rally up to the $100, even $110. Because if I show you the long-term support and resistance levels, then we have the support at $60, and here we have found a resistance at $90. At this time, the price action is struggling at this support. The next support, if we take a look on this live weekly chart, on the long-term chart, that is not $100. We have at $110. That has been working as a support here back in 2018. So this is the next resistance level. However, the $100 can be the psychological resistance, and that will be in play when the price action will be moving up. Maybe we will have that resistance as well. And after breaking out the $110, we have the $140 resistance. Here you can see that it has been working as a good resistance, and here it has been working as a good support as well. Then we have $170. That is a minor resistance because we have a minor resistance previously here. And finally, we have not a significant resistance at $200. We have the next important resistance at $230. However, the $200 will be a psychological resistance once the price action will be moved up to that level. Because if we take a look at this point, then the price action previously had a strong resistance at this level, that is $230. So once the price action will have a breakout and it will reach up to this level, then we will have this resistance, that is, you can say, from $100 to $110. Then we have the minor resistance, not as that much strong as we are struggling at this time. The price action is struggling at this time. That is not as that much strong at $140. Then minor resistance at $170. Then we have the resistance at $230. So once the price action will break out this resistance level of $90, and you can say also $110 as well, it will be really very easy for the price line of LTC to move up to $200 to $230. It will take no time in this move. Now, here I want to show you one more thing. If we place the stochastic here, while moving or forming this triangle, the price action, the stochastic also has given us the bull cross from very close to the oversold zone. So we can expect that it is also another bullish signal, like we received a bullish signal here. The price action moved up, and here the price action tried to break out the resistance but could not break out, moved down. Here we also received the death cross as well. Now it has again given us the buying signal or bull cross. So we can expect maybe the price action, because I'm expecting that we can have another bearish fractal here, and then the price action can move up to this support again, almost up to $75, and then we can expect a breakout from this triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, and if you want to join me on the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.